Chuck? Any luck with Sparks?
Nada. This game of yours is messed up. Every time I get near Sparks, it's like I hit a firewall. Everything crashes.
We'll just keep trying. We can't win this game without her.
We could with Random Virus on our side. He could take Lord Fear on his own.
Not likely. You think my game's messed up? You should see Random Virus.
Random, we need to talk.
Leave me alone. Why do you torment me?
I need your help.
Ace, you have to protect me from myself. My evil side is winning. How can I be a Lightning Knight again?
Start by doing something good. Help me defeat Lord Fear before he gets too powerful. Help me save this world.
I want to, but I can't control my evil. Oh, sure, fly away, Mr. Hero!
It's too late to save this world, Lightning. The trap has already been sprung, and your fate is sealed.
It's hard to take a stand. It's hard to do what's right. No matter how scared you are, you have to stand and fight. And we don't have to play this game all alone, 'cause there's a hero. There's a hero in us all. It wakes a hero in us all.
Oh, yeah! Excellent shot, your lordship.
Indeed. What a delightful game. Again.
Again!
My disloyal lady.
Please, I need to rest.
There's no rest for the wicked, unless, of course, you're not really wicked.
LF? Better check this out.
Not now, rodent. I'm busy. Who dares interrupt my game?
I am Kilobyte, the Cyber Stalker, the giver and taker of evil. Join me and we'll destroy Ace Lightning. Oppose me and face oblivion.
Look, pal, I don't know what fish tank you crawled out of, but, memo to Kilobyte, Lord Fear's the ruler of this world.
You're right, Rat.
Yeah?
Lord Fear should be the ruler of this world, but he has been infected by the mortal realm.
Well, can you blame him? There's so much to do here. Play games, listen to music, and LF's personal favorite, TV.
Shut up. You're the one who watches the shopping channel.
You have become soft like the mortals you were sent to enslave. Your emotions have made you weak. All that is about to change.
How so?
Anvil not weak. Out! Stand still so Anvil can hurt you!
Blimey, it's an energy drain.
I don't get it. Why is he sapping our strength?
Power!
You have wasted your power, and so it shall return to its rightful owner.
No. We'll test the limits of his strength before we attack him.
Your first wise decision in this world, Lord Fear. But from now on, all decisions will be made by your new master.
New master?
There's time for one last game. Bowling for Fear.
Run, Lord Fear! Looks like a strike, boss. You don't mind me calling you boss, do you? Because it... Oh! Oh!
Any idea what this is? Found it under some rags in the tool shed.
I haven't the faintest.
I think it slips over the wrist. A bit like this!
Simon! Ah, you're gonna hurt someone! Shut that thing off!
Shut it off! And never turn it off!
Dad?
Mark, is that you?
Yeah, Mum, stay where you are.
Careful, son!
It's okay, Dad. Are you all right?
Yeah, I think so. What in heaven's name is that thing?
It's my, science project.
Science project?
Yeah, it's a superconductor.
Well, your superconductor nearly got a super killed.
Well, forget about that. Look what it's done to my new easy chair.
What kind of science are they teaching at that school of yours?
The good kind. I can't explain right now. I gotta go do some work on the superconductor. Or I'll fail. You don't want me to fail, do you? Right.
I think I need to have a chat with that science teacher.
Sweet, it sparks.
Ace? Is that you?
Yes. Contact.
I can't hold out much longer. Gotta keep moving.
Wait. Where are you going?
Out of my way, Tex!
This conversation is over. Leaving it.
No.
Hey, Chuck. I didn't know you were online.
Neither did I. I mean, hey Jess, what's up?
I'm bored. So let me guess, you're playing Ace Lightning?
You know me too well. You wouldn't believe the crazy level I'm on.
What's so crazy about it?
I can't tell you.
What do you mean you can't tell me?
It's kind of a secret.
Charles Mughal, we've spent 6 months, including 4 very intensive weeks at computer camp, building a relationship based on trust.
We did?
Yes, we did. And if you want to continue in that relationship, there can't be any secrets between us.
Well, since you put it that way.
Come on, don't keep the new boss waiting.
You sent for me?
Your talents here are wasted. I can give you powers you've never dreamed of. The power to destroy Ace Lightning. Feel the hatred growing inside you. How he betrayed you for Sparks. And when the time is right, you'll give Ace Lightning the one thing he's never had. The pitiful feelings of a human being.
But how can feelings destroy him?
Because those are my rules. And you play by my rules now.
And Kilobyte's rules rule. Right, boss? No! No! Why does he keep doing that?
Who does he think he is, pushing you around like that? Why, you've worked your fingers to the bone trying to destroy Ace Lightning.
Rest assured, my faithful totem, when the time is right, we'll exact our revenge for this humiliation.
Hey, Ace. It's me. She's here.
This is it, kid. I'm on my way.
Mark doesn't know I'm here, Mr. Chesbrough, but his mother and I are a bit concerned.
Well, you should be, Mr. Hollander. I would be too if he were my son.
Well, I'm not here to talk about Mark. I'm here because I'm curious to learn what sort of dangerous projects you might be assigning your students.
The usual?
Yes, but don't you think it's a bit improper to have your students build a superconductor?
Most of my students couldn't spell superconductor, much less build one.
Well, whatever it is, it burnt my easy chair to a crisp, and I'd like an explanation.
Mr. Hollander, may I be blunt?
Of course.
Your son, he's been cavorting with aliens.
My son? Cavorting with aliens? You mean like little green men?
They're not all green, you know. Some of them are talking skulls. And that superconductor, that belongs to the... They have powers, you know. Powers beyond your wildest imaginings. But don't take my word for it.
Alien Digest.
And since my own abduction, I formed a little support group. We meet every Wednesday evening. I usually make muffins and chocolate chip this week. You and your wife are more than welcome to come along.
That's very kind of you.
Good. Well, if there's nothing further, I really must get back to my preparation.
No, I've heard quite enough.
Oh, Mr. Hollander, keep an eye on your son. At this very moment, he could be with the... Have a good day.
Right.
Not to be a buzzkill, but aren't you going to be late for school?
I'm waiting for a friend.
Oh. Well, don't worry. I won't tell your parents. Your secret is safe.
But yours isn't. I don't want to hurt you.
Too late. How could you betray me for Sparks after I'd saved you from Lord Fear?
You got it wrong. I'm only trying to protect the mortals.
Well, if you like these mortals so much, maybe you'll enjoy feeling like one.
Ace, you all right? Ace?
You let her get away.
Ace! Ace, I tried!
Well, try harder. Or you can find another superhero to cover your sorry butt. Need more power.
My, we seem a little testy today. Temper, temper, AZ.
Hey, Chuck.
Huh? Oh, dude. sure it's cool to keep this in your locker?
I think it was more dangerous at my house. My parents were getting suspicious.
Yo, Chucky. Hey, Wayne. What is with you telling my cousin Jess that you're a superhero?
You what?
So what's your superpower, up, Chuck? Projectile vomiting, you know? Chuck Mughal and his radioactive puke. Up, Chuck, and away!
Hey, I haven't puked in at least a week.
Later, Chucky.
I can't believe you. What were you thinking?
I wasn't thinking. When it comes to women, I'm weak. Didn't you ever want to tell Samantha about Ace?
Yeah. About 1,000,000 times, but I didn't. I kept it a secret to protect her.
Look, dude, I told Jessica. I messed up.
Yeah, you did. Now you better tell her you were joking or something. Don't you ever tell anyone else, okay?
Mark, you forgot something.
I'm gonna fry you, rat.
Hey! Zero hero! Over here!
Get back here, you flying flea bag. I'm not done with you.
You gotta catch me first, Daisy. See you at the carnival!
Hey, Mark.
Hey, Kat.
This is amazing. We're gonna have our first editorial meeting tomorrow for the school newspaper. Want to celebrate with a slice of pizza?
No, I've lost something. Sorry, I gotta go find Chuck.
I'm gonna clean out this freak show once and for all.
Talk to me.
Chuck, where are you? You've got my wrist cannon.
Forget that, dude. Ace has lost it. He's shooting at everything in sight. Including me.
Nothing covered, Chuck. I'm on my way.
My friend, I've come to help.
When I want your help, I'll ask for it.
You did ask. But don't ever ask again.
What?
How does this thing work?
Chuck? Chuck!
Let's finish him off.
No. The agony has just begun.
It's nice to see a hero in touch with his emotions.
Chuck! Oh my God, Chuck. What did Lord Fear do to you?
It wasn't fear, kid. It was me.
You?
It was an accident. I didn't mean to send him into the data stream. Don't worry, we'll find a piece of the amulet and bring him back.
It doesn't work that way for humans, Ace. You can't just bring him back. Once he stops for good. Chuck?
What happened?
It's my fault. I couldn't control my anger.
Like at my house. I knew there was something weird going on.
What kind of hero hurts a friend? I'm no better than random virus.
Hey, Ace, wait! Come on, mate.
Dude, you're not still mad at me because I told Jessica the secret, all right?
No, Chuck. Look, I owe you an apology. The reason why I was angry earlier on was because I was mad at myself for not telling Samantha the truth about Ace. All it did was ruin our relationship.
I feel awful.
It's not that bad, Chuck.
No, I mean, I really feel awful.
Pardon my confusion, but I thought you wanted us to destroy Ace Lightning and his sidekicks.
You've had your chance. Now we'll wait for his emotions to destroy him. They'll destroy him, and destroy everyone and everything he's ever cared about. And then, this game is over.
Mark! In the kitchen, now. Mark, are you and the other lads playing some sort of prank on Mr. Chesborough? Something about aliens from outer space?
No.
You know he's had delusions about aliens before, Mark, and I would hate to think that you and your friends were taking advantage of the poor, pathetic man.
That's not what this is about, Mum.
Oh, what is it then?
It's complicated. You know, teenage stuff. We have a lot of secret issues, you know.
But keeping things inside can only hurt you.
Yeah, I know. Anything else?
Yeah. You can go up and tidy your room. Our housekeeper, Felicity, up and left us. Can you imagine the cheek of the girl?
Yes.
Yeah, just went.
Believe me, I think we'd be better off without her.
I know, you're just a teenager,
Did you
darling.
hear that?
Dear Samantha, there's something I've been meaning to tell you for a long time. I know it's going to be hard to believe, but it's all true. It's about Ace Lightning. Sorry, Samantha. It's too late. I've missed my chance.